Step 1. Put 1 liter of water and kombu in the pot and leave it for 30 minutes. Okay, so when you leave the water with seaweed for 30 minutes, then the seaweed becomes soft and makes the water with more flavor. I'm actually almost 9 months pregnant. This dashi can be used for baby food as well. So after leaving it for 30 minutes, we put the pot on the heat and heat it up until it boils. The heat has to be very high. When the water boils, leave it for 30 seconds and remove the kombu. After boiling the water for a while to remove the unnecessary smell of kombu, put a bit of water to lower the temperature. When the surface is without any froth, put Katsuobushi into the water. It doesn't sink in the water immediately, but don't touch it. Just leave it. Set to the medium heat and makes it boil for a few seconds. Lower the heat to the lowest and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. So, after you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes with the low heat, strain with paper towel and strainer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please check in the below to see the online shops where you can find the ingredients for dashi, just in case if you don't find any at the Asian shop in your neighborhood. I would like to do some more video of the Japanese cook using this dashi. So if you are interested, please subscribe and I hope to see you soon.